Alright, let's dive into the thrilling world of Tesla's Model 2, the game-changing electric vehicle that's got everyone buzzing. Elon Musk has finally spoken up, and he's not just dropping hints anymore. He's confirmed that new models are coming this year, built on existing production lines and looking similar to the cars Tesla already makes. The star of the show. The brand new Model 2, with a jaw-dropping price tag of $11,179. This isn't just talk, we're bringing you hard proof with factory photos, internal hiring moves, and exclusive details you won't find anywhere else. Ready to see the evidence? Tesla's gearing up for the Model 2's bright future, and the proof is crystal clear. Since January 2025, Tesla has quietly posted over 200 job listings for launch engineers and new product introduction roles at Fremont and Giga, Texas. This hiring surge is exactly like what happened before the Model Y launch in 2020, when Tesla added 1,500 workers in just 6 months. A viral post on X from Tesla Chan, an insider, spilled the beans on Tesla's plan to bring on 800 to 1,200 employees by June, exactly what's needed to produce the first 100,000 Model 2 units in the second half of 2025. This is Tesla's production playbook in action, and when Musk himself posted on X that US production will double to 2 million vehicles by 2027, he wasn't joking. 500,000 of those are expected to be Model 2s by 2026. This kind of scale only happens if the pilot phase is already done, meaning Tesla's prepping its assembly lines for full production right now. So, how is Tesla launching a new EV faster than anyone thought possible? The secret's in a clever hybrid manufacturing strategy. Instead of spending $1 billion on new production lines, which would delay the launch, Tesla's blending its next-gen platform with the existing Model 3 and Model Y setups. This smart move saves $500 million and lets the Model 2 share 50% of the Model 3's suspension and battery systems. That's how they're hitting that shocking $11,179 price after tax credits. At Fremont, this approach lets them churn out 1,000 Model 2 units weekly without new infrastructure, while Giga, Texas is gearing up for 800 units per week by Q3. This strategy balances speed, cost, and scale to meet global demand. Leaked photos from Dalton Brewer at Giga, Texas show a mysterious single-piece underbody casting, a hallmark of Tesla's manufacturing revolution, clearly meant for the Model 2's chassis. This component cuts assembly time by 30% and saves $500 per vehicle. Meanwhile, spy photos from Tellan and Chris in April 2025 at Fremont reveal a sleek, covered hatchback about 4.2 meters long, perfect for subcompact markets like Europe and Asia, where 60% of cars sold are this size. An exclusive report confirms this prototype has an ultra-aerodynamic 0.23 drag coefficient, delivering an estimated 250-mile range. These leaks prove Tesla's testing production-ready prototypes, with final designs likely locked in by Q2 2025, paving the way for mass production. Does this evidence convince you the Model 2 is next in line? Drop a Model 2 believer in the comments if you're sold. Now that we've seen solid proof from job hires to casting leaks, let's dig deeper into why Tesla's pushing so hard for this $11,179 EV. Musk isn't just launching a car, he's shaking up the entire market. The $11,179 price isn't random, it's carefully set to break the biggest barrier to EV adoption, cost. While the average new vehicle costs $48,200 today, and EVs average $53,500, the Model 2 is a staggering 76.8% below the average EV price, making it less than half the cost of the cheapest current electric option, the $27,400 Nissan Leaf. This will cause a massive market shift. In 2024, 40% of consumers said cost was the main reason they didn't go electric. By removing this hurdle, the Model 2 is expected to boost the US EV market share from 7.6% to 10% by 2026, adding 500,000 electric vehicles yearly. That's not just growth, it's a 230% expansion of the EV market, capturing 34% of first-time car buyers worldwide. Tesla's internal projections show the Model 2 will convert 42% of sub-$25,000 car shoppers from gas to electric, numbers that would scare traditional automakers if they grasped the impact. But Musk's vision goes beyond market dominance. The Model 2 is Tesla's biggest sustainability push yet, built in factories running on 70% renewable energy with 90% waste recycling. This 3,000-pound vehicle uses 20% less material than the Model 3, cutting manufacturing emissions by 15%. The environmental impact gets even better with Tesla's next-gen battery tech, which only degrades 15% after 200,000 miles, compared to the industry's 25% average, ensuring a 10-year lifespan and saving owners $2,000 in replacement costs. Most groundbreaking, Teslas including basic full self-driving, supervised, as standard on an $11,179 vehicle, making autonomous tech accessible to everyone, not just luxury buyers. With FSD projected to save 10,000 lives annually by 2030, Tesla's not just building a cheap car, they're making safety tech available to all, transforming society. The Model 2 is the heart of Musk's original master plan to speed up sustainable transportation by making EVs better, cheaper, and more accessible than gas vehicles. This isn't just a car launch, it's the moment electric vehicles start dominating the market. Do you think the Model 2 will finally bring affordable EVs to people priced out for years? Drop $11,179 in the comments if you think this is a game changer for everyday folks. Now that we know the vision is real and the price is no dream, the big question is when, where, and how you can get your hands on a Model 2. If you're wondering, this sounds awesome, but when can I buy one? You're not alone. Millions are asking, and based on what we know, the answer's closer than you think. Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call confirmed production of a new, affordable model will start in the first half of 2025, likely June or July. If history holds, Tesla typically opens online orders 1 to 2 months before production begins, pointing to August or late July 2025 for Model 2 reservations. Why so soon? 2025 has been tough, deliveries are down 13%, Model Y discounts are up, and Chinese EV giant BYD is closing in with 1.76 million battery EV sales last year. Tesla needs a bold move, and opening Model 2 orders this summer is their way to shake up the EV market again. As for how and where to buy, it's super easy. In the US, orders will go through www.tesla.com or the Tesla app, no dealerships, no haggling. If you're near cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Miami, you can visit one of Tesla's 100-plus US showrooms to see the Model 2 in person or test drive it. Canadians will have similar access through Tesla stores in Toronto and Montreal. If you qualify for the $7,500 US federal EV tax credit, the price drops to just $11,179, but there's talk that the tax credit might be cut if the next administration changes rules, so ordering early could lock in that price. Europe won't miss out. Tesla's website and showrooms in London, Paris, Berlin, and more will handle orders. In Asia, Shanghai, Tokyo, and Seoul will be key hubs, with Tesla's global supply chain prepping for huge demand. The Model 2's direct-to-consumer model keeps costs low and access wide, just as Tesla likes it. Now, let's talk timing. If you're among the first to order in August or September, US deliveries could start by November or December 2025, based on Tesla's usual 3 to 4 month lead time. But demand will be massive. Tesla may only build 70,000 units at first, and US interest could hit 100,000. If you order late, like in October, you might wait until spring 2026. In Canada, with fewer units allocated, buyers could wait 5 to 7 months. Europe's timeline is similar. August orders might arrive by January 2026, while October orders could stretch to April or June 2026. In Asia, China will get 80% of the region's stock, with orders possibly fulfilled by December 2025, but Japan and South Korea might wait 6 to 8 months, meaning May 2026 at the latest. You've now seen the undeniable details of the Tesla Model 2, the EV that could bring clean, smart, and safe driving to millions of families who thought it was out of reach. At just $11,179, it's built with American-made innovation, real sustainability, and serious savings. Would you trust the Model 2 as your next daily driver? Let us know in the comments. If this video blew your mind, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We've got more leaks, updates, and inside scoops coming soon. Here at Auto Intel, we connect the dots so you don't have to. Just wait for what Tesla reveals next.